Another beautiful day across Katia this morning, and it looks like as we head into the afternoon, conditions are going to be very nice with sunshine and some mild temperatures. But we're also watching a lot of tropical weather. 3 named storms in the Atlantic Basin, including Nate, that is in the lower part of the Gulf of Mexico near the Bay of Campeche. We'll get to the tropical systems in a minute. First of all, we're still watching the remnants of Lee that's moving across the northern Ohio Valley into the Great Lakes. Still some heavy rains over New England. And of course, right offshore, you can see Hurricane Katia that's moving off toward the north. As far as our weather here at home, a nice dry northerly flow continues, so low humidities and lots of sunshine. We started out this morning in the 50s and we're climbing into the 70s already, and we should top out in the low 80s later this afternoon. This evening, skies will remain mostly clear as overnight lows will dip back into the 50s. And it looks like the dry air is going to stay in place over the next couple of days, so a lot of sunshine and some comfortable conditions. Meanwhile, Katia is still moving off toward the north and continuing as a hurricane, but it looks like it's going to miss the east coast of the U.S. Meanwhile, Tropical Storm Maria rapidly moving off toward the west, although it looks like the center of circulation and the associated thunderstorm activity have become dislodged, so weakening possible there. Meanwhile, Tropical Storm Nate is still spinning on the lower end of a cold front there in the Bay of Campeche. It's going to hover there for a couple of days. Most forecasts drag it back off toward the west, bringing the heavy rains over the Mexican coastline sometime early next week. Today, lots of sunshine and warmer with a high near 84. Tonight, we'll drop back into the upper 50s under mostly clear skies. Lots of sunshine again for Friday with a high near 86 degrees, and we'll stay in the 80s for highs most of the weekend. Nighttime lows will creep upward into the 60s over the weekend, and then getting closer to 70 early next week as humidity levels increase. Temperatures should be close to 90 by Wednesday and Thursday, which is about average for this time of the year. Of course, we'll keep an eye on Nate down to the south and our local forecast. I'm meteorologist Dave Baker in the Storm Team 3 Weather Lab. Thanks for visiting KATC.com.